Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can enable location tag on Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my camera application on my Samsung Galaxy phone. This is my camera and I'm going to click on it. And we're going to go to the camera setting. You can click on the setting icon on the top left. And here you need to scroll down until you find the location tags. This one guys, and click on the circle button to activate it. And I'm going to show you how this location tags looks like. I'm just going to tag a photo with my camera. Okay, and I'm going to check it guys. And if we want to see or view the location tag, we can click on the symbol. And as you can see, this is the location tag. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enable the location tag on Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.